Hello students, in this class we will see 2020 question paper, final exam question paper and MCQs and 1 marks questions. There will be total 16 1 marks questions. We will check out the questions and solutions. First one, if the pair of lines where first two ratios are not equal, when first two ratios are not equal means they will have one solution or unique solution. Just check out, this is the solution. Please, I'll always repeat, in this chapter, out of 9 combinations, one question will be asked like this. So be particular with the 9 topics for the table. In arithmetic progression, find the common difference. So second one, an is equal to 2n plus 1. Common difference finding means we need two terms. So we find 2 of 1 plus 1, that is 3. A2 is equal to 2 of 2 plus 2, 1 is equal to 5. Therefore, D equal to A2 minus A1, that is 5 minus 3, that is 2. Therefore, answer is what? C2. Okay. Degree of the linear polynomial. When we said linear polynomial, it will be of the form ax plus b equal to 0. X will have the degree 1. So, degree 1. For a quadratic polynomial, it will be 2. Okay. If sin theta is 13 sin theta is 12, what is cosecant theta? Don't break your head, it's straight formula. Sin theta and cosecant theta are reciprocals. Okay, solve for sin theta in the given and find the cosecant theta. That will be a reciprocal. That is, what you can say is 13 sin theta is equal to 13 sin theta is equal to 12. Sin theta is equal to 12 by 13. Cosecant theta is 13 by 12. Cosecant theta is 13 by 12. What is the answer? 13 by 12, D. Okay, we'll move to the next one. In the figure, POQ and SO are similar, right? We just write that triangle POQ similar to triangle SOR, and what is given? PQ by RS is 1 by 2. OP by OS is asked. So when the triangles are similar, just write the three ratios here, corresponding ratio. PO, when you write PO, you write SO, then PQ by SR, OQ by OR. What is given? PQ by SR is given as, right, 1 by 2. So what is asked? OP by OS. OP by OS is nothing but PO by SO. Therefore, you write OP by OS is also 1 by 2. Okay. 1 by 2. Therefore, OP by OS is equal to 1 by 2. A straight line passing through a point on a circle. A straight line passing through a point on a circle is nothing but a tangent. Remember that. Length of the arc of a sector of a circle of radius r and angle theta means length of the arc. Formula they are asking, what is the length of the arc? Length of arc of a sector is theta by 360 into 2 pi r. When they ask the length, you need to have your circumference formula. When they ask area of a sector, you need to have square pi r square, area of circle formula. Just check out here. Is it matching? Sometimes they'll give 2 and 180, 360 they'll cancel. Theta by 180 into pi r they'll give. Just for that reason, you just match it. Theta by 180 is there, but 2 pi r still they're maintaining. So this is the answer. Theta by 360 into 2 pi r. If the area of the circular base of a cylinder is 22 centimeter square, area of the circular base is not 22. That is a pi r square is given. Okay. Height is given 10 centimeter. Find the volume of the cylinder. Volume of the cylinder is pi r square h. Therefore, volume of cylinder is equal to pi r square h. Pi r square is given as 22. H is given as 10. Don't try to find r and all here because the base area of a cylinder formula is pi r square only. So 22 into 10, 220 cm cube. Volume unit you are write as cm cube. Okay. What is the answer here? 220 cm cube. C is the answer. Okay. We'll move to the next. MCQs are done. Second main, ninth one. Express the denominator in the form 2 to the power m, 5 to the power n. It is not in the syllabus, but still we can try it. So 20, you write 2 10 ja, 2 5 ja. That becomes 23 into 2 to the power n into 2 to the power 2 into 5 to the power 1. Okay, that's it. And state whether the given is a terminating or non-terminating repeating decimal. It is not in syllabus 2025. We are solving this in 2025 year. But still I'll answer. When the denominator is in the form 2 to the power n into 5 to the power m, the given rational is nothing but a given fraction is nothing but a terminating one. Okay, it is terminating, you can say. 10th one, number of zeros for the p of x. It is always repeated question in many question papers. Number of zeros for a given graph means how many times the graph cuts the x-axis or intersect the x-axis. Those number of points are the zeros. So how many points it intersected the x-axis? Forget about y-axis. So 3 points it intersected, right? So there's a number of zeros is equal to 3. Find the value of tan 45 cot 45. It is very easy. Tan 45 is 1, cot 45 is its reciprocal, that is 1 by 1, so 2. Find the midpoint of the line joining the points x1, x2, y1, y2. Therefore, midpoint formula they are asking. By midpoint formula, x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by, okay. 13th one, state BPT. I'm telling you now, but I'm not writing here. Please properly by heart remember the BPT statement. What does it say means? If a line is drawn parallel to the one side of a triangle, intersecting other two sides in distinct points, then the other two sides are uh, other two sides ratio proportional are same. Other two sides are proportional. Okay, we'll move to this next question. 14th. In the figure, it's important question. It's a knowledge actually, because what is asked, BAC is asked. BOC is 130 they are given, right? We just write that BOC 130. See, already OB is as a radius, BA is a tangent. Therefore, OBA is 90 degree because point of contact of a radius and a tangent is 90 degree. Similarly, OC and OCA, OAC is also 90 degree. So we write BOC equal to 130. Therefore, what we write is BOC plus BAC is 180 degree. Therefore, BAC is equal to what we write? 180 minus 130, that is 50. Why these to become 180 means it's a quadrilateral. Four angles sum is 360. We are removing this 90 and this 90. So 180 will become remaining for the other two angles. Okay. Then 15th, write in the standard form of the quadratic equation. Just cross multiply and rearrange, you get it. So x of x plus 1 is, we'll write that 2 into 1 is 2, x square plus x minus 2 equal to 0 is the standard form. That's it. Last one in the main, write the formula to find the total surface of the area of the cone whose radius is r, slant height is L. TSA of cone they want. TSA of cone pi r L. Pi r of r plus L. Sorry. Pi r L is a CSA. What they want now? TSA, right? So TSA is pi r of r plus L. Pi r of r plus L square units, you write. Understood? Uh, Please remember formulas properly. Okay. Pi r L is not the answer. Pi r of r plus L is the answer. TSA of cone. Okay. Thank you.